Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we will learn the answers for worksheet number 12, that is Human Organ System of class 6th Science workbook. First part, choose the appropriate answer. Question number 1. Mala observed a skeletal system model in her school laboratory. She observed structure like lines on the top of the skull. What do they represent? ஸோ இந்த மண்டை ஓட்டு மேலே ஸ்கல் மேலே இந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் ஒரு லைன்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த லைன்ஸ் வந்து ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணதுன்னு சொன்னால் ஜாயின்ஸ் ஆஃப் கார்னியல் போன்ஸ். ஆப்ஷன் ஏ இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். Second one, look at the image where a person is walking on the tightrope. Which organ of his body helps him to maintain his balance as he walks on the rope? Here, option C is the right answer. Question number 3. When we see the mangoes, what is the sense organ that gets activated? To see the mangoes, we want eye sense organ. After seeing, which organ is activated means tongue is activated. Option D is the right answer. So first, to see the mango, eyes are used. So after seeing, which sense organ activated means tongue. Next, second part, match the following. Fourth one, match the endocrine glands with their location. So first column given endocrine glands, in the second column the given location. The thymus gland located in chest, adrenal gland located above the kidney, pancreas located abdomen, pituitary gland located at the base of brain, thyroid gland located near the neck. So answers 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. Fifth one, connect the endocrine glands with the relevant organs. This kidney related with adrenal gland. This brain directly given, that is pituitary gland. Next, in the neck there is a thyroid gland. Next part 3, tabulate the following. Sixth one, identify the organ and complete the table with a suitable answer. This is kidney. So they are asking some questions. Name of the organ, kidney. Location, abdominal cavity. Name of the outer layer, peritoneum. 3 important parts, renal medulla, renal pelvis and cortex. Functions, filter the blood and form the urine. 7th one, complete the following table. Name of the system, function of the system. Name, endocrine system, regulates various function of the body and maintains the internal environment. Next, function of the system is promotes body movement, that is skeletal system. 8th one, identify the type of bones and fill in the column below. Skull, pelvic girdle, vertebral column, pectoral girdle, rib cage, forelimb, in limb. Now we are going to separate axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Skull, vertebral column, rib cage. These are axial skeleton. Appendicular skeleton are pelvic girdle, pectoral girdle, forelimb, in limb. Then fourth part, answer the following. 9th one, the skeletal system consists of bones, cartilages and joints. Subquestion A, how many bones are there in an adult? 206. Next, second subquestion B, which of the above helps in chewing? That is given in question, bone, joint and cartilages. So cartilages helps in chewing. 10th one, how ligaments and tendons help our movement? Ligaments help in connecting bone to bone. Tendons connect bone to muscle. Next, fifth part, look at the graph and answer the following. Here, graph given time versus frequency or activity versus frequency. First sub question, which frequency has a flat line? So flat line during the sleep frequency is constant, so approximately constant, so that frequency has a flat line at sleep. Next, B, when does the frequency go to peak? ஸோ எப்போ ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி அதிகமாக இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ண சொல்ல ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி அதிகமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் எக்ஸசைஸ். 12th one, COVID-19 virus mainly affect the lungs, so this disease leads to respiratory illness. Look at the graph and answer for the questions. First question, when did this respiratory disease affect more people in India? மே 1. ஸோ மே 1 கிட்ட 1,00,000 மேலே தாண்டி போகுது. அதனால் மே 1 அப்போ மேக்ஸிமாக இருக்குது. அப்புறம் மென்ஷன் த மந்த்ஸ் இன் விச் மோர் தென் 10,000 பாசிட்டிவ் COVID-19 கேசஸ் ரெக்கார்டட் இன் இந்தியா. ஸோ எந்த மாதத்தில் 10,000க்கு மேலே COVID-19 பேஷண்ட் இருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த ஏப்ரல் மந்த்லேயும் 10,000க்கு மேலே போயிடுது, மே மந்த்லேயும் இருக்குது. அப்போது ஆன்சர் வந்து ஏப்ரல் மே. ஸோ ஆன்சர் ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், when did this respiratory disease affect more people in Indiana? May 1. Mention the months in which more than 10,000 positive COVID-19 cases recorded in Indiana. April, May. Part 6, identify the diagram and answer the following. 13th, identify the organ and their system and complete the following sentence. This diagram represents excretory system. Its shape bean shape, அதாவது கிட்னியோட ஷேப் வந்து bean shape. Location abdominal cavity. Function, filter the blood and form the urine. Functional units, nephrons. 14th one, the frontal bone, parietal bone, lower jaw are the parts of skull. Label the parts. So this one frontal bone, this one parietal bone, this one lower jaw. 15th one, label the marked parts of the skeletal system. So first part represents ribs, this part represents spinal column, this part represents femur. Thank you students.